Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on more of the engine bay. And we're going to get these panels right there. We're going to get those welded in. And do a little more around the engine bay. Paint some things, sand some things. So yeah, that's basically all we're going to be doing today is sanding, painting, and working on the engine bay. So let's get into that. Got the pour 15 done in here, as well as behind these panels, all in there. And so now, all we got to do is weld right here, and weld right here. As you can see, I already cleaned up those little spots. I'm gonna grab my TIG torch real quick, which is my TIG torch right here. I'm gonna TIG them up. So let me get into that. I got this panel welded in now. Here's the welds. They're just more of tack welds, and then I'm just gonna take some weld putty and fill these all up, because this is hard enough to like weld these, because it wants to burn on this side so much. So I think I'm just gonna take some welding, or it's a metal putty. It hardens like super strong. I'm just gonna fill this in and then sand this down, and then afterwards, when I take the body filler, I'm gonna body fill all this to make it all straight, and then I'm also gonna body fill this up to this, and try to fill in all imperfections and all these little like spot weld type things. So now I just got to get this side done, and then we'll be able to start fitting our panels even more. So I want to go ahead and show you guys the level test that we did before. So now that's the gap now, which still got to sand a little more down, so it'll get even better. But here's the before, and here's the after. So on to that side. Also, before I welded in the panel that's right over there, I just came over here and cleaned up this a little bit more. I'm going to be painting all this black, but I had to scuff it up and sand it down, which I still got a ton more to do. But I'm painting all of this, all that black. Same with the K-member, and then I got to clean up all this more as well. we come over here to our stockpile of Mustang and Super Coupe parts. The one things that I know I'm going to be painting for now is the brake booster. When we sand down the drive shaft and painting it, I want to take this off and paint that because it doesn't look the greatest. Some other little things that need to be fixed up, some bolts and stuff, which I'm going to take all the bolts and set them out and clean all the threads up and paint all the tops. And once it's put all back together, I know it'll chip up some of the paint a little bit, but we should be able to just paint right over it again. And here's the hood latch I painted. Looks pretty good. So now we'll flip over to doing the other side. So let's get to that. I'm gonna tack like right around here somewhere. In that little spot there first. Yep, ready? So I hope you guys like the video and subscribe and to see some more content. So yeah, see you guys.